welcome, everybody. Thank you for coming tonight. I'm Rick Kinsel. I'm the Executive Director of the Wilczek Foundation. And before we start, I want to do two things. Would all of the jurors and consultants who have helped us through this prize cycle please stand and be acknowledged? Thank you so much. They did all the heavy lifting behind this prize program, so thank you again. And secondly, before we acknowledge the winners of the prizes here tonight, I'd like to take a moment to consider the actual prize itself. This is the Wilczek Prize. It may be hard to see from where you sit, but each one is completely unique. The name of the winner, this is Blanca's prize, shapes the prize itself. And to present our winners, we have with us two distinguished presenters, molecular biologist Richard Axel and playwright Paula Vogel. For the scientists in the room tonight, Richard Axel needs no introduction. His pioneering work laid the foundation for a multitude of discoveries in biomedical science. Richard is a professor at Columbia University Medical Center and an investigator at the Howard Hughes Medical Institute. The first of Richard's discoveries came in the 1970s when he, along with Saul Silverstein and Michael Wigler, developed a gene transfer process known as co-transformation. This process allows foreign DNA to be inserted into virtually any cell, creating a new method for isolating genes and for analyzing what those genes actually do. Co-transformation allows scientists to commandeer cells for the production of specific proteins. Today, this is an essential technique in basic research and in the manufacturing of pharmaceuticals. More recently, Richard cracked open our understanding of the sense of smell. Working with biologist Linda Buck, Richard identified roughly 1,000 genes that encode odor receptors in the human nasal cavity. Richard and Linda showed that these odor receptors contains neurons that activate the brain, not only the olfactory structure, but also the regions that process conscious thought and human emotions. For that landmark research, Richard and Linda received the 2004 Nobel Prize. Ladies and gentlemen, Richard Axel.